Hello guys, welcome to the Work and Job Graduates. My name is Tabu if you're new to this channel. So in this channel, we'll talk about ways to make money online with Forex trading and many other ways. So today I'll be showing you how to get a 90% win rate or at least above 80% win rate when it comes to Forex trading. All right, so I've been trading for well over 7 years and I've been a full-time trader since 2020. That's when I started this channel for trading. And yeah, I've seen a lot of people come and go. So my advice to you is to show you ways to actually crack the code and actually make money online. Okay, trading is not like hard, and most people find it unbelievable that you can actually make a win rate of more than 80%. So I'll actually be showing you how I do it, and for proof, you can actually go and check my free signals. We actually always making above 80% win rate. So I'm not talking about something that I've seen or that I don't know. This is what I live and what I do myself. So I always get a percentage or win rate of 80% and above. Usually it's more. But I want to show you in this video how you can actually do it yourself, and it's quite easy. And if you implement what I'm going to show you and you focus wholeheartedly throughout this video, and then if you have any questions, you can always ask me. All right, okay. So I'll show you on the screen here the win rate from the free signals groups. This is basically what I do every month and every year. My students, so what I advise you, if you go in my free signal group, the Telegram group, go swap and check since I started the group, my win rate, it's been well over 80%. So with that being said, let's get into how to actually get your trading to the next level and get a 90% win rate or more. Okay, let's say 80% or more. All right, so don't forget to subscribe and see you in the video. Let's go. So you can analyze this page. Okay, first thing I'm going to do, okay, I'm going to check all the good levels. So it doesn't matter which time frame you look at. Let's say we're looking at this one. Okay, these are my good levels. Okay, just look at these levels. So these are good levels. Okay, we're gonna look at. Okay, all right. It's not as important which one there is, but there is a way to actually check which ones are quite important. Okay, all right. So I do that when I teach people how to trade, but just for here to give you for free, this is most important. Okay, so we're looking at where the market is and where it's going. So currently it's going up here. All right. So we wanna make sure we put where the market comes. So it's come from here and then it goes down to here. Okay, all right. So this is currently what the market is doing. So what I'd want to do is, I know it's moving up. Okay, so it's moving in this channel. So it's this channel squeezing it. Okay, so I'll put it like this. It's squeezing it in this way. Okay, and then it's squeezing it like this. So I'm squeezing it like this, so as you can see. So what does it say? So this is basically telling us that the market is currently inside, and this squeezing pattern or shape is basically meaning that the market could be changing at any direction. So if it comes out of this triangular, then we are obviously gonna either sell or buy. So in this case, if it goes down here, we sell. If it goes up here, it's more likely just pushing up a little bit. Okay, so in this case, so what I'd like to do is look at 3 things that will confirm that we are actually squeezing out. Okay, so the first important thing is we look at our candlesticks. Make sure if it's going down, it has 3 bearish candles like these, like here. We have bearish candles. Okay, so this is the most important thing. Make sure the candles are bearish. Okay, so if we zoom in like here, can you see here it's bearish? All right, so this is the one. Okay, so if I move to a lower time frame, it's very bearish. Okay, so as you can see within here, it was all moving normally, and then here it's starting to show us it's going bearish. Okay, so since it came from here, so it went up to that point, and then so if we go back, we're gonna say before it came, it touched here. So how many times did it touch? So this is our first, it touched here first time. Let me write this one here. It's really quite simple. It touched here. This will be your 1, and then it's touched here again. So this is another. I'll put this as 2. All right. So we're anticipating that should it touch again, it should go down. All right, and then I put. So I'm gonna show you what makes people fail when it comes to trading. So for example, when it comes to here, I already know that it's likely to come here, all right, and push down, all right, just like it did over here. All right, so we have 1, 2, 3. You can check my other videos. I did talk about this before. So on the third one, we know that it's going down. Should it start pushing here? Okay, so this touch is our first confirmation, and then should it come out? Here? That's our second confirmation, and the squeezing pattern is basically telling us the market wants to exit. So that will be our third confirmation. All right. Okay. So what I want to show you guys is this. So we look at here. Okay. And look at this one. Yeah. This is where we're gonna be selling it to this point. Okay. So the best way to enter the market, there's 2 ways. Okay, I'll show you the 2 ways. Okay, you can either enter here on it when it starts to push out of the squeezing triangle. Okay, I'll show you the conditions just now. But once it comes out of this, and then you can put your stop loss right above here. Okay. It's the first one. And then the second one is to enter right at this point. Okay, so, but if you enter here, that means you're gonna make more money should it come here. So, in order to actually win, you need to make sure you enter right here. Okay, so that's why you should need to know what you're doing. So my stop loss would be right here, for example. Okay. Okay, so this is my stop loss here. Okay. You already know it's the 1, 2, 3, and it's already forming. So here would have already be forming a shape. So you already know first condition, it hit here the third time, and it pushed down, so you can look for sells once it starts pushing down. And then your stop loss is right here. Okay, make sure your stop loss is above this level, the one that because sometimes it can take people out before going down. Okay, so all you do, look, I'm going to repeat the process again. So make sure that it hits this 3 times on your levels. So you have the level, it hit 1, 2, and then it hit 3 times. All right, that's the first confirmation. And then, so that's the 3 touches, first confirmation. The second confirmation, okay, 3 touches, first confirmation, 3 touches at level. you can see this, and then the second one is a triangle. I call it a squeeze. Doesn't really matter. Just the triangle must be like as if it's squeezing your chart. Okay. And then you already know that. Okay. And then remember, you always want to have three confirmations at least. Okay. And then the third one, bearish, or just say candlesticks, because it could, if it's going up, is bullish. So in this case, bearish. So candlesticks aggressive. All right, the candlesticks must be aggressive. So if it's going down, it must be really red. So at this point, you must see red pushing down. Other than that, I'm not going in. That's if I'm entering on this level. So if we zoom in quite close here, we can see. So candlestick can be aggressive. So aggressive meaning it can be all right here a hammer pattern, or it can be engulfing candle. Okay, these are just one of the most important that you don't need to look at all of them. Okay, so you saw on this level that it touched 3 times, okay, and then it did a squeeze triangle, and then now the candlestick are aggressive, meaning they should be going that direction. Are they aggressive going in this downward direction? Let's zoom in and see. Okay, this is definitely an engulfing pattern. So you can see it was green, and then look at how aggressive the reds were. So you could just, this is a nice sell already from this point, and then put your stop loss above here. Okay, so you can see I'm only risking, let's see, 20 pips to make. To make 166. So you can see 20 pips to make 166. That's a lot of, so your risk is quite big. So if we look at that in terms of risk to reward, you're really making good money. So you're risking basically, if you say 166, divide by 20. So 1:8. Your risk is basically 1:8. Yeah. Do this. So your risk is 1:8. Risk to reward. Risk to reward is, so 1:8. So for every $100 or $1, $100, for example, if I had like 1,000, I was trading 1,000 US dollar. So for example, you could be risking $100 on your account to make 8 times that, to make $800. So you see what I'm saying? And the good thing is you can always be catching more profits while you go down here. So that's how you actually make money. Yo, guys, I hope this was insightful for you. This is like good information, and I hope you can be able to use it yourself. As I said, if you have any questions, don't forget to leave them on the comment section below. I'll be more than happy to assist you. But I do advise you to join my free signal so you can see yourself and actually make money yourself and see if my signals are actually working, so you can prove yourself what I'm talking about. And then you can always go to your VIP signals, which are unlimited, by the way. If you find that the free signals have helped you, then you can obviously, or I advise you just to learn to trade. All right. So it took me years to learn how to trade. I went to a lot of scams. As you can see, I did put videos on my channel. But once I figured it out, trading became so easy. All right. So you do need someone who's good with trading. I advise, if you want to learn how to do it, who can actually be there for you. Okay. And then it'll be easier for you to get on the right track of trading instead of wasting years losing money to the market trying to figure it out yourself. Would you rather figure out yourself or keep losing money, or rather ask someone or pay someone who's good, who can guide you, and then they can help you achieve the result without losing a lot of money and get to where you want to go quicker. Other than that, guys, if you did enjoy the video, don't forget to smash that like button, as I've been saying, and I'll be bringing more of these videos. Stay tuned, and how to make money online and travel the world like I'm doing.